In this video, we are going to unbox and set up the Apple AirTags 4-pack. The AirTags were originally released in April of 2021 and they've become an important part of many people's lives. They're small and versatile with the ability to use to keep track of many different items like keys, wallets, backpacks, and more. They use Bluetooth Low Energy and an ultra-wideband U1 chip to help with precision finding with the iPhone 11 and newer phones. Let's unbox the AirTags. In this box, you get 4 AirTags that include batteries. Apple says the CR2032 batteries will last about a year. The AirTags are ready to be set up as soon as you pull the pin. Just unlock your iPhone and follow the steps on the screen. I really like how small and compact these are, and they work really well. If you want to locate an item, you can play a sound, and it will also tell you where it was last seen. If you leave something in a public location, it uses a secure encrypted connection to other iOS devices so that you can see the updated location. When you're hunting your item down, you can also play a sound to listen for it, and you can use the warm and cold system for precision finding, where your phone will tell you when you're getting closer or farther away. Lost mode is another great option when you lose something in public. When another iOS user gets close, they can receive a message that includes your contact information on their iPhone. AirTags are designed to discourage unwanted tracking. If someone else's AirTag finds its way into your stuff, your iPhone will notice it's traveling with you and it will send you an alert. After a while, if you still haven't found it, the AirTag will start playing a sound to let you know it's there. The sound only plays if the AirTag is separated from its owner. Now, unfortunately, AirTags do not include a mounting loop. You have to buy more accessories depending on what or how you want to mount them. This can be both a pro and a con, as it keeps the size down and gives it the sleek Apple look, but it also means you either have to buy Apple's expensive accessories or find third-party brands that offer them cheaper. If you're in Apple's ecosystem, I would highly recommend the AirTags. You can buy one of them for $30 or a 4-pack is $100. Once you get them, you realize how many things you can put them on, so I definitely recommend buying the 4-pack. Just be ready to buy keyring adapters and other accessories depending on your tracking needs. Thanks for watching. If you found value in this video, please consider purchasing with affiliate links in the description and like this video. Also, subscribe to my channel so you will see all the tech we'll be unboxing and exploring.